2 pips away from hitting our TP before it just reversed. What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're still on EURUSD. I'm going to be breaking down the trade that I sent out, what I saw, and other good stuff. So we're going to start here on the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, looking at EURUSD, you notice a break and retest of this level of support, previous level of support. Price broke that support, came back to retest, turning it into a level of resistance. As we know it, for bearish structure, price forms lower lows, lower highs, lower low, lower high. So we are expecting to sell at the lower high for a bearish trend or a bearish market. So here is the weekly time frame. This is what the weekly is doing. Price broke this level of support, came back for a retest, and now turning it into a level of resistance. So now on the daily time frame, you can see that it's still that same level of support and resistance that we saw on the weekly time frame. But when it comes to the daily time frame, I noticed that price has approached this level of resistance here, this daily resistance. Let me zoom in. So price rejected that level of resistance. I was expecting price to push all the way into this level of resistance and react to it. In this case, price got close. It didn't go deep into the level of resistance, but reacted to it and rejected. So on seeing that price has rejected that level of resistance, or on seeing that price has approached that level of resistance, which is on the daily time frame, I started looking at the smaller time frame. It's the same thing here on the 4-hour time frame. Still the same level of resistance which price has gotten to. So when it comes to the 4-hour time frame, you notice this weak rejection. Once price got to that level of resistance, price started to reject. As you can see, this first week here, this second week here, price was rejecting that level of resistance. Multiple rejection. On the 1-hour time frame, same thing. I also noticed on the 1-hour time frame, price has given us this bearish divergence where the RSI is forming lower highs. Let me change the line, make it. Price was forming lower highs on the RSI, but on the candlestick, price was forming higher highs. That there is a bearish divergence. That was when I went to the 15-minute time frame. Firstly, I was expecting a double top at that resistance level. I was expecting price to give me that entry confirmation. Since we're having divergence, we're at a daily / 4-hour level of resistance, so I'm looking for sales. I actually saw here on the 15-minute time frame this bearish engulfing candlestick here. Afterwards seemed to be a double top. I was expecting a double top. Then price left this bearish engulfing candlestick. but I did not like the way price was forming here, so I did not take that trade from here. So I waited for price to break the neckline of that double top. As you can see here, I was expecting a break and retest, and if you look closely, you notice that price gave a triple top. We have the first top here, the second top here, and we have the third one here. That's a triple top right there, which is also a reversal pattern. Apart from double top, head and shoulder, we also have triple top, which price gave us here. So on seeing that price has consolidated here, I was expecting the break of that support that price formed. So price broke that level of support. After price broke that level of support, I was expecting a pullback into this level of support and expecting price to turn it into a level of resistance. So on seeing that price has broken that level of support, I drew out my Fibonacci from this swing high to the swing low and waited for price to get to this golden zone, the Fibonacci level of 0.5. So I was expecting price to reject that area because it's aligning with this level of support that we have here. I was expecting price to turn it into a level of resistance. So on seeing that price has gotten to that level and started to reject, we have this first rejection here, indicating that there are sellers waiting there. I sent it out on the free Telegram group, sent out the setup, everything. If you haven't joined the free Telegram group, just click the first link in the description and join the Telegram group. It's free. So sent out this trade here. Price rejected. Price ended up pushing all the way down. It was funny. Price pushed all the way down. It was like 2 pips away from hitting, because this is our first entry here. Price was like 2 pips away from hitting, 2 pips away from hitting our TP before it just reversed. Price reversed, went back to entry just to retest that level of support, turning it into a level of resistance. So I sent out on the group that price is still rejecting that level of resistance. The price is still going to fall. If you watch my previous video, there's a place where I explained this particular setup here where price will form a lower low, lower high, a lower low, then come back to that lower high that it created, turning it into a double top before price continue to fall downward. If you haven't watched the video, go and check it out. My previous video that I've posted here on YouTube. So here price formed a double top at that level of support and resistance. The price pushed all the way down and smashed our take profit for 3-to-1 risk to reward, 3 times our risk, 7 pips stop loss, 21.1 pips take profit. We aim for this level of support here on the 15-minute time frame. So that was the reason why we took this trade yesterday. That was what I saw. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.